First on 4, DPS headquarters in Weslaco hosting Governor Greg Abbott and several other prominent leaders to discuss border security, immigration, and fentanyl.
Our Jeremiah Marshall is working for you tonight from Weslaco. He joins us live with an update on that discussion. Jeremiah.
Yeah, Chris, Sydney, Governor Greg Abbott was joined by Senator Brian Birdwell, state troopers, and many other agencies about the update with the ongoing border crisis and Operation Lonestar.
If you're coming toward the United States of America and you are thinking about crossing our border and you're thinking about making your border crossing in the state of Texas, you're picking the wrong state to enter into.
This was the message Governor Greg Abbott is sending in his roundtable discussion in Weslaco when it comes to border security. Last week, Governor Greg Abbott had listed border security as an emergency item in this legislative session. Abbott says he's focused on Texans, the border, and staying proactive due to Title 42 expecting to expire in May.
According to federal estimates themselves, they said that once Title 42 is eliminated, we can expect up to 18,000 people crossing the border a day. Calculate that, and that would be more than 6 million people crossing the border a year.
Officials also spoke about the cartels and the many drugs that have been seized with the illegal border crossings.
As border residents, as Texans, we expect safe and orderly communities.
Leaders with DPS also say they have seized numerous amounts of fentanyl along with 19 tons of meth, which could have killed so many lives.
There's no more experimentation. Those days are gone. The cartels don't care about your kids. The cartels care about making money, period.
Border officials say they have their hands full.
The Border Patrol is already overwhelmed with the mass numbers of migrants coming across that is pulling them off of the line. So as the governor said, they are inside doing the processing, which has created these massive gaps, which is why you see Texas military and DPS out there trying to fill those gaps.
This past year, we saw the highest number of illegal immigrants ever who were apprehended coming across our border.
And leaders with the National Guard also say they are monitoring the 72 miles of fencings. They're even monitoring the waters with their boats and even getting a bird's eye view with helicopters, all looking at the activity at the border. Working for you in Weslaco, I'm Jeremiah Marshall.
All right, Jeremiah, thank you.